Hello, my name is Mike Ebert, and I'm the enterprise team lead at Indicio. Today, we're going to be doing a brief demo of Indicio's Cloud Verifier. In a typical ecosystem, you have software that issues credentials, software that holds credentials, and software that verifies credentials. So the issuer will give out credentials, the holder will accept them and allow someone to view them and manage them, and then they can share them with verifiers. Verifiers accept proofs based on those credentials. They examine the proofs to make sure that the data came from a source that is known and that hasn't been tampered with, and then they can use the data after that point. So in this particular example, we're assuming that the issuer has already issued the credential and the holder is already holding the credential, and we won't demo those today. So you can see on the left side of my screen a web browser that has Verifier software behind it. And then on the right, you can see my mobile agent or mobile software, and it has two credentials already in its wallet. So we're going to demonstrate sharing these credentials with the verifier. So the first step to this process is to connect the two agents. So we're going to scan this QR code, which contains an invitation URL. That means that these two agents will know how to get in touch with each other. And we have a new contact, number 14. And then the verifier screen should update here and ask us which credential we'd like to verify. So as you can see, we have two options. And on my mobile wallet, I have an employment credential. So we'll go ahead and select that. So this is for demo purposes. You can automate these things or have different user interfaces for this. But for our demo, we just have a nice drop down that says to select which proof we want to ask for. So you can see there's a notification on my home icon. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And we have a proof request. And it's asking for some of the fields from my employment credential. So since this is a limited set, I appreciate the verifier only asking for selective disclosure, or a select group, select subset of the attributes. So we'll go ahead and share that. And those get printed to the screen so that you can see in the demo that the agent received them. And we can verify additional credentials if we wanted to. So that shows a nice, easy verification demo workflow. But one of the very coolest things about the Indicio Cloud Verifier is that it is configurable. As long as you have the correct format for your configuration and you're using a credential that has a schema anchored to the ledger that your software is configured to use, we can verify any credential that's on that ledger. So we're going to go add some verification information to this verifier. So here's an example of the config file. So you can see that we have a list of schemas that we're going to verify, and we have a label. So we have an email full disclosure verification flow, and we have an employment, employee info and employer's name, a basic selective disclosure here. So I have a file over here that's got some other configurations. So we'll go ahead and grab all these and add them to our verifier configuration here. And you can see that we've added an employment full disclosure, a driver's license with a driver's bio, and a driver's license full disclosure. So we'll go ahead and save this file and then go back to our verifier. And if we reload the page, our next walkthrough, we should see the new options for credentials to verify. And there we go. We have some extra options. So we had the initial email and employment subset, and we have a full disclosure employment, a driver's bio for a driver's license, and a full disclosure for the driver's license. So we've done a selective disclosure for an employment credential. Let's do a full disclosure on a driver's license. So this has all of the fields from the driver's license. And we share that with the verifier. And those are all echoed here. And besides this demo or public-facing workflow, Proven also offers workflows for verification in the admin UI and through the API. And so you can see that it's really straightforward to get up and running with a Proven Cloud Verifier that allows you to verify any anon creds that are on your ledger. And if you'd like to learn more, please get in touch with any member of the Indicio team, and we can help you get up and running with a Proven Cloud Verifier hosted however you would like it.